Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the bike and confirming model and firmware. This matters because firmware controls login flow. Next, disable Wi-Fi and keep Bluetooth active so the console won't force an online subscription check. Create a local profile with a non-Echelon email and a simple PIN. This gives you access to ride modes. Once done, check for a guest or developer option in settings. If needed, perform the single-button USB recovery or factory reset sequence to unlock console controls now. Now you configure the offline ride experience so the bike behaves like a regular trainer. Pair a third-party cadence and power sensor over Bluetooth 4.0+. This supplies metrics without the Echelon cloud. Then switch resistance to manual or erg mode and run a calibration, one full spin with steady cadence to align sensors. Make sure to disable auto updates and telemetry to avoid subscription prompts. This preserves local settings. After calibration, save a ride profile and test a 10-minute finish by building offline training routines, warm up, intervals, cool down, and save them as templates so you don't need the app. Back up your settings to USB and store the firmware image and serial number. That helps if you must restore. Once done, test a full 30-minute routine to ensure resistance and metrics remain local. If things go wrong, try a power cycle, reapply the factory reset, then restore from your USB backup. If pairing fails, repair sensors and reboot the bike to clear stale connections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.